Hey, this is Andreas Welch with Intelligence Briefing, and today I'm at Oktane talking to Kristen Swanson, SVP of Research and Design. Kristen, I'm so excited to have the opportunity to learn more about what's up with UX and design. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
With agents, we've seen so many great things now at Oktane. We've heard about identity security fabric. We see a bigger need for organizations to really get a handle on security now at this critical moment. But looking at this from a research and design perspective, what does it mean when all of a sudden you no longer just have humans and non-humans, and you have agents as first-class citizens? What changes?
Yeah, so, we recently released an Okta AI at Work report, and 91% of organizations are currently rolling out AI agents, but almost all of them don't have a strategy for how to manage them or deploy them. And so we really think this is a critical moment because identity security is AI security.
Right.
And so we actually are able as Okta to draw on two things we've been really, really good at for years and years. One is securing deterministic machines.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other is securing those unpredictable, non-deterministic humans.
Yeah.
We take two of those things together. We secure the non-deterministic, unpredictable machine.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what really AI agents are.
Right.
And so we've combined those capabilities and created a new entity for AI agents inside the Okta Universal Directory. Mm-hmm. And this is really, really important because it allows us to secure those agents before, during, and after authentication for enterprises. And it's exactly what they need to make sure that agents realize all of the potential value they can.
I'm really curious. We saw so many great demos this morning at Oktane in the keynote of how you can manage rogue agents, how you can even identify them. And obviously, that's a big opportunity for IT security teams. But how does it change how you design the user experience when agents are not really interacting with the UI?
Yeah, and this is really where the critical part of standards comes in. Mm-hmm. So you heard today about cross-app access. And this is a standard that allows agents to connect with tools and resources seamlessly, but also with governance and control that happens at the IT level. And so when it comes to the end user and the admin experience, we want that to be really seamless, effortless, able to scale up and down with agents as they are created and deprovisioned in the organization, but also give the agents what they need to do their best work as well.
How do you inform your work? How to design these days? Do you work with focus groups, user research, all the things? Can you give me some examples of that?
I mean, I'm clearly biased, but I have the best research team in the world, and they do so many different things, talking to customers, non-customers, industry experts. And really what we try to understand is what is the critical problems that people need help with? And when we can really get crisp on the problems, then the solutions become much clearer and much easier for our product and design teams.
That makes a lot of sense. So I'm curious, what's in store for Okta? What's next? And what's especially next with research and design in that age of agents?
Yeah, so over the next year, you're going to see a lot of exciting things from Okta in securing AI, but also securing all the parts of the identity security fabric. And so what we're really hoping for is to have more customers engage with and use the fabric to get that end-to-end protection. We want to study what's working and share out all of those security best practices across all of our customers and non-customers because we feel really, really passionate about raising the bar for everyone's security, not just folks who are using Okta.
That's awesome. Wonderful. Kristen, it's been a pleasure talking to you and learning from you what's in store with agents, especially as it relates to user experience and design. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right. Bye-bye.